You're saying it funny? No, just kidding.
I said that funny.
This is perfect.
Okay, so.
Alright, so we're in week 1, and the first phrase that we have here is I'm helping him or her.
Wat kan nukan?
Did you say Wachkan Nukwan?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. And then the second one is I'm helping them. How would you say that in Ukumuk?
Wat kan nukan tanihan?
Perfect. Did you say Wachkan Nukwan Tanihan?
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you. And then how about I'm helping you?
Wat kan nukan chin?
Perfect. Did you say Wachkan Nukwan Chin?
Yeah.
Thank you. And then how about I am helping you folks?
Wat kan nukan tumus?
Perfect. Did you say Wachkan Nukwan Tumush?
Yeah.
Thank you. And then how about you are helping him or her?
Wat kan nukan?
Did you say Wachkauch Nukwan?
Wat kan nukan?
Thank
Wat
you.
kan what you do? Wat kan and wat kan? I didn't see that. Sorry.
It's okay. And then how about you are helping them?
Wat kan nukan wheat?
Oh, thank you. Did you say Wachkauch Nukwan wheat?
Yeah.
Thank you. And then how about you are helping me?
Wat kan nukan?
What did you say Wachkauch Nukwan?
Yeah.
Perfect. And then how about you are helping us?
Wat kan nukan tumus?
Perfect. Did you say Wachkauch Nukwan Tumush?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Sorry.
It's
I
okay.
got mixed up.
It's okay. And so now we'll practice. So if you could say the first phrase 3 times for us.
Wat kan nukan? Wat kan nukan? Wat kan nukan? Wat kan nukan tanihan? Wat kan nukan tanihan? Wat kan nukan tanihan?
Perfect, thanks. And then how about number 3?
Wat kan nukan chin? Wat kan nukan chin? Wat kan nukan chin?
Perfect, thanks. And then how about number 4?
Wat kan nukan tumus? Wat kan nukan tumus? Wat kan nukan tumus?
Thank you. And then number 5.
Wat kan nukan? Wat kan nukan? Wat kan nukan?
Thank you. And then number 6.
Wat kan nukan wheat? Wat kan nukan wheat? Wat kan nukan wheat? Wat kan nukan? Wat kan nukan? Wat kan nukan?
Perfect. And then number 8.
Wat kan nukan tumus? Wat kan nukan tumus? Wat kan nukan tumus?
Perfect. Thank you.
Week 1 done.